Welcome back to Balvikan Bharti with Vilas Sarkar. Now we'll move to the problem number 19 in ratio and proportion. So, uh, okay. Problem number 19 is two friends A and B started a business with an initial capital contribution of rupees 1 lakh and rupees 2 lakhs at the end of the year, the business made profit of rupees 30,000 find the share of each in the profit. Okay, so this is some new specific kind of problem. In this problem, this is very common to the exam. The thing is that one rule has to be known to solve it. The profit ratio is equal to the ratio of their contribution for whole year. So now you have to understand this is perfectly. The profit, the whatever be the profit is there, that has to be distributed in the ratio as same ratio of their contribution for the whole year. So if someone is contributing some X rupees for whole years, taking or you can say taking X per month of rupees, because our year system is based on the month. So every month there will be a closing of the account. So there will be a amount being taken by considering the schedule of 1 month in 1 month, and that will be multiplied in 12 months. So for whole year, whatever amount being contributing to that business, if I say X rupees is being contributed for some time, for a month, and then after for the 12 month that is being utilized, so the total contribution has to be 12 into the X rupees. Okay, so similarly, if someone is contributing Y rupees per month, so that will be multiplied in 12 months or the months for which that amount is working as a capital. So your working capital, the thing will be more than this, the appropriate will be the ratio of working capital. So working capital are those, the capital of money that is being involved in a business for a certain time, and if you calculate for the same time what is the capital that is meant for those period. Okay, there could be possible, if I say an example, that two partners are there in the business and a capital for the partner A is being utilized for 6 months and the capital of the partner B has utilized for the 12 months. So accordingly that has to be the working capital, the ratio will be for 6 months is to the 12 months. Okay, let's say 10,000 for the first person has been contributed for 6 months, so say 10 into 6 months, and for the second person if it is 20,000 for a month, so 20,000 into 12. So the working capital depends on the time period for which the capital is being utilized in the business. So that will depend on the working capital for the both persons are in the business. So in this case, the two friends A and B started the business with an initial capital of contribution of rupees 1 lakh and 2 lakh. So that both have started in the same time. Okay, initial participation with the 1 lakh and 2 lakh, they have started in the same time. At the end of the year, the business has made profit this much. So both the amount, the capital has worked for the same time for a year, and the profit is also given for a year. So the profit ratio of A and B, it is very straightforward, because 1 lakh for 12 months and 2 lakh for 12 months. So no need to multiply the 12, because those are the working capital is worked for 12 months for both the cases. So ultimately whatever principal they are giving, the ratio will be on that ratio. So 1:2. So what is the need of that? Find the share. So share of A is 1, this is A share 1 part of 3, and that of B is 2 part of 3. So that is 30,000. This is 10,000 for A and 20,000 for B. This will be this share. Then after it will be very easy to calculate. Okay, we'll move to the next problem, that is problem number 20. Three friends A, B and C started a business each investing rupees 10,000. After 5 months, A withdrawn rupees 3,000 and B withdrawn rupees 2,000 and C invested rupees 3,000 more. At the end of the year, a total profit of rupees this much was recorded. Find the shares. Okay, find the shares. Now this is some extension of the earlier problem. That the problem was very straightforward in the earlier case in number 19. Now, as I said, the concept is same. The ratio of their working capital will be the ratio of their profit. So the share ratio will be the ratio of working capital. Okay, so working capital for A, if I see, so they have started with the 10,000 each for so now you can see the working capital is working for how many time, how many months, for a year. So that you have to understand. At the end of the year, profit is being calculated. So every working capital will work for 12 months from the date of their contribution. So they have started with 10,000, but after 5 months something A has withdrawn, something B has withdrawn, and C has contributed. So till the 5 month, the contribution of 10,000 of each has worked. So for A, if I calculate separately, A has worked 10,000 rupees for how many months? Because for me the time is 1 year, means 12 months. So keep it in mind. For the target months is 12. For that I have to calculate the working capital. I have to make the ratio of those three working capital to get the share percentage. So for A, the working capital is 10,000 work for 5 months. Okay, for A. Then what A is doing, withdrawn 3,000. So out of the investment of 10,000, he is reducing the working capital per month to 7,000. So 10,000 was for 5 months, and for remaining months the working capital was 7,000, and that worked for 7 months. So this is the working capital for A. And the similar way for B, working capital is 10,000 for first 5 months plus what much he has withdrawn, 2,000. So his working capital will reduce to 8,000 per month, and that has worked for 7 months. And that for C, 10,000 for initial 5 months, and then after he has increased by 3,000 more. So his working capital would be 13,000 further for the remaining 7 months. So this will be the ratio. Understood? So now if I do calculate, now see 30, 30, 30, 30, 30 and 30. So you can eliminate this from this, because ratio will eliminate the zeros of the same multiplier. So this is 5 into 5 into 10, 50, 7 into 7, 49. So this is 99. Okay, this is 5 into 50, 56. So that means 106, isn't it? And the remaining is 5 into 50, 7 into 13. So that means equal to 91. 91 is 141. So this will be the ratio. 7 into 7, 49 plus 50, 99. 50 plus 56, 106. 50 plus 91. So this will be the ratio. So my share ratio will be this. So now find the shares. So the share will be in this ratio. 99, this 106 and 141. So the share will be in the ratio 99, 106, 141. So is there any common multiplier? I don't think so. 11 and 99, 3, nothing is there. This is even number, this is odd number, this is odd number, so that cannot be. So the share will be how much in this ratio? So for the first case, it is the total will be how much? 106, 141 and 99. So this will be 6, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 346. So 346 will be the ratio, that is you multiply 346, this is in 100 multiply, so that percentage will be, is very easy to get, because all of three if we add, I am getting 346, and 346 if we multiply with 100, you will get the total profit. So everything will be of multiplication of 100, so the percentage will be accordingly this much. For all these three, A, B, C will get share of profit of this much at the end of the year. Okay. So moving to the next problem, problem number 21. The next problem is problem number 21. A invested rupees 70,000 in a business after few months B joined him with 60,000 at the end of the year. The total profit was divided between them in the ratio of 2:1. So when B has joined, okay. Now, as you know, the total span for both of the capital is 12 months. So we have a span of 12 months distributed 1 month apart. So if I assume it, let it be understood properly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this side I am taking 12. So this is the first month, second month, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. So for A, as he has started his business, so his capital will work for all 12 months from this to this. So for him, for A, the working capital will be 70,000 into 12. Now B has joined after few months. If I assume that B has joined after few months, means after 4 months, so that means if he has joined after 4 months, his capital will work for after completion of 4th month from the 5th month onwards. So his capital will work from end of 4th month. This is end of 1st month, 2nd month, third month, fourth month. From here, if you assume, so he has joined after fourth month, so his capital will work for this many months. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he has joined numerically fourth month and working for 7th month. So that means after completion of fourth month, the remaining months will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this will be the this is the starting of 1 month, this is end of 1 month. So like that, 12 month if it is starting here, it will end at 13. Understand that the month starting from 1 and capital work for the end of the month. So after before finishing before starting of the second month, the capital will work. So similarly, 12 month if it is started working, this capital work for the whole month. So this is the end. So my point of indication will be 1, 2, basically 3, because this is starting from 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so starting from 0, it is ending at 1. So this is completion of 1 month. So definitely, when let's say B has joined after completion of fourth month, that means 1, 2, 3 and 4th, here he has joined. So remaining for the months, how many months his capital will work? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 months. Understood? So at which month he has entered, this is completion of fourth month, from there the capital will started working. So calculation wise, it is coming 12 minus 4 months is capital work when he has started at the end of fourth month. So after a few months, this is okay. After a few months, it is, you have to consider on this word, after a few months. But if it is so that B has joined not get it is not said like that after after a few months. If it is said B has joined at some month, if it is said like that, at some month if it is said like that, so you cannot complete a month, means then your assumption will be, let's say on X month he has joined, so this will be the X month he has joined. So that X month onwards capital will work for the whole month. So your, let's say that X will be the fourth month, so the working capitals, if it is work, your assumption is not completion of fourth month, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4th, this is complete the fourth month. Okay, now when you say that at fourth month he has joined, so that means his working capital will work for fourth month itself. So the remaining months that his capital is not work, it is if he joined at fourth month itself, so that means he is joining there. I mean to say there is a difference of word. After completion of fourth month, that means he is joined here. At fourth month he is joined, that means he is joined here, means 0 date of fourth month he has joined. So there is a difference. When if you assume that he has joined on fourth month, your calculation must be this plus 1 there. There is a difference. If it is said after few months, that means after completion of some months, so the remaining months that work capital will be 12 months. After which, if we assume that after X month he has joined, so your capital will work for 12 minus X. And if you say on X month he has joined, so if it is said to be that on X month he has joined, your capital will work from the day first of that month. X month means X will consider, if it is fourth, then the first month. So the remaining month it is not work, X 12 minus X plus 1. So there is a difference. Understand that. So in this case, we will assume that B's capital, B has joined, what will I assume? After Xth month, B has joined. This will be the thing that we have to calculate. This has said. So B's capital, A's capital will work for 70,000 into 12 months. So working capital I am taking ratio because that will be the ratio of their shares. So B's A's working capital is working for 70,000 in 12, whereas B's working capital work for 60,000 the working capital, and that will work for 12 minus X because he has joined after X months, that means after completion of X months. So remaining months that the capital will work for this much. So this is equal to said, because the profit is being said by 2:1, that must be equal to 2:1. So now this will be cancelled, this all total will be cancelled. So 7 into 12 by 6 into, so 6 also will be cancelled out, so this will be further reduced to 14 by 12 minus X is equal to 2:1, 2 to 7. So then equal to X is equal to 5. Okay. So after 5th month he has joined. So that means from the day 1st of 6th month he has joined. Understood? So after 5th month he is joined, the answer will be 5th month. After 5th month. So he has joined from the day of first day of 6th month. Okay. Okay, I will end up here. In the next video, I will start from the problem number 22 onwards. Okay, so thanks for now.